The reason for this rare solemn moment is the commemoration of the Asaba Massacre, a reminder for the indigents of their loss and anguish some 50 years ago. A history dating back to 1967 holds a sad tale of how hundreds of men and teenage boys were murdered openly by government troops at a place they gathered to show support for one Nigeria.
You see this comment. This is one of the reasons why 99.9% of the people hate the Igbos. I am responsible for whatever I say, but I am not responsible for whatever you hear. Yes, now. I said there are Igbos in Bayelsa, but because you hear lies, you love lies, what you are hearing that I said Bayelsa is Biafra. I said there are Igbos in Edo. Because you hate the Igbos, what you hear is I say that Edo State is Igbo land. Hatred, lies that you believed. The video you watched talked about how government massacred the Asaba people. But someone is telling me you have a smartphone, you have data, you can't browse to check information. You are telling me I'm lying. See the comment. The massacre was led by Murtala Muhammad, commander of 2nd Division, Nigerian Army. He went house to house, removing able-bodied men and killed them because he felt like they are Biafran sympathizers. Every 7th of October, after 50 years, Nigerian government sent people to Asaba, to the Asaba of Asaba, to apologize for the genocide they committed against Asaba people. History documented. You are still telling me it's documented that it's the Igbo that killed their fellow Igbo people. That's why they go up and down and be saying Igbo they kill their fellow Igbo. Igbo don't love Igbos. But these are pure lies. These are the lies that make some minority Igbos in other states to deny they are not Igbo. And that's why I said in my heart, as a Delta boy, I'm an Igbo man. And that's why I keep saying it. If you're from a Banke, or you are a Ka, or you are a Okwane, or a Nyoma, or even Ikwere, and you are saying you are not Igbo, may they massacre you the way they massacre Asaba people when the time reach. Yes, I'm the one saying it. They have to kill you to keep one Nigeria. And now you want me to deny that I'm not Igbo because I don't want to be killed or you don't want to be killed. Nigeria is a place that even when you deny, they will still kill you. Because they hate you with passion. These are what we are talking about. This is why I'm making videos to expose lies and make sure we know the truth. The truth is what will set us free. No lies. Not hatred, love, but you can't love without the truth. They say if you tell people the truth without love, you are brutal. If you show person love and you are not telling the truth, you are pretending. So, I have to tell the truth and also show you love. Nigerian government are pretending that they love us. They keep lying, divide us, and you, that is a minority in the South, are still buying into those lies. You have a smartphone, you can't Google, you can't browse.